Oh, meron na ba?
Start na
Ayos
tayo.
na?
Ikaw na muna ako.
Ikaw?
Hindi, ano? Nag-video na ba?
Oh, nag-video niya.
Okay.
Ready na?
Oh, sige.
Nakukuha na nila doon?
Yes, Dad. Okay na yan.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Oh, yun lang. Ganun na.
Chapoy!
Oh, okay.
Happy
Magkasalita?
birthday from Dagupan.
O, sige, magkasalita ko?
Yes.
Okay. O, sige. Kuya, sabi ko, ano ba naman yan? Kuya, that was 20 years ago when we gave you also a surprise party here in Manila. Remember? When you were 60 years old and now you are 80 years old. We could not believe it. God is good for giving you extra life. Happy birthday to you and more power to you. I hope we can celebrate your birthday again come December during our grand family reunion of the Pobletes. See you all December and happy birthday again to you, Kuya Pepito.
Happy birthday!
Happy
birthday!
Kuya Pepito,
Oh.
another surprise birthday on your 20 years from now. So you'll be 100 years old.
Hello! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tito!
Birthday.
Birthday! Cut.
Ayan.